Super pass!
Wow!
Sakit!
Wow! Ano? Dati si iba yung nagbibigay ng tubig sa akin, ah.
Apat yan na, di ba?
Ha?
Bigo.
Hindi.
Si Jericho.
Tara!
Sino ba?
Kevin.
Si Darren.
Paco.
Si Paco.
Okay lang ko si parang Paco katunggali ko, walang problema.
Ay, hindi ko narinig.
Okay lang ko si parang Paco katunggali ko, walang problema. Pero pag si parang Jericho, parang problema.
O, paano nga sinagot ko siya, oh?
Eh, okay lang. Mapila pa. Sabi ko si audition ng audition.
That's for team.
Hindi ako makasunod. Kahit sa paglabas ko dito sa bahay.
Kausapin niyo muna dad ko. Lahat.
Oo naman. Kaya nakausap ko.
Ano nagsabi?
Bawal yan.
Bawal yan.
Hindi. Dad ko naman kung saan ako masaya, eh.
Basta, alagaan ko lang daw eh.
Pagka alam ko.
Hindi yung sabi ng dad.
Sabi ko naman eh. Okay naman. Opo. Pangako. That wasn't enough.
Imagine, sorry.
Ay, man.
Imagine him with
Huh?
speaking.
Oh yeah, for sure. Pero tinan ko, hapunan mamaya. We're gonna have dinner later.
Oo.
Soon. Because we just gobbled
Yeah. Are we cooking? Don't leave that there for too long. Don't leave that there for too long.
Akala kami,
Teka lang.
Akala namin that it was just like 6 people eating.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yung ano?
Oh, we thought it was just a
we
few.
thought it was just a few people eating.
Go.
Ugat niya, yung vein niya. Net.
Gusto mo?
No.
They're just looking at it.
Okay. Paano ba yung ginagawa ko? Sarap!
Ganun ka. Ganun ka.
Saan ba yun sa cake?
Oo.
Sa cake.
Okay.
Chocolate cake.
Si Mama Luz galit na galit na sa akin nun ah. Bakit nung pinapakain si Tin, ha?
Oo, kaya grabe naman kasi yun eh.
What are we talking about?
Him feeding me.
When?
Sa looban and here. I was giving
Oh, yeah.
Wait,
James, Eagle, her gaining a little weight. Ikaw eh. Kasi Bigo would always say, no, kain. Eagle, her gaining a little weight. Ikaw eh. Kasi Bigo would always say, no, kain.
Compliment. Bolero.
OA na. OA. Siyan.
Hindi ako
Siyan.
OA.
Oh, ano yan? Ano tawag
Alam niyo
dyan?
po yan. Yung kahit kay Jessica lang, prinang ka po si
OA. OA.
Bigo, what I can see here
Hindi ako OA.
is... Alam niyo po yan. Yung kahit kay Jessica lang, prinang ka po si Kuya. Bigo, what I can see here is... She's enjoying it. She likes you, but then she trusts you, keep that distance, to make it like, what's the word, Carla? To make it like, she likes Biggle, she likes flirting, but she's keeping that distance, you know what I mean? Hard to, you hit the nail on the head, hard to get, you're playing hard to get. Right out of my mouth. You took the words out of my mouth. You're playing hard to get. Tin, you're playing hard to get. So, enough of the hard to get stuff. Talk to Biggle. Look at Biggle. Talk to Biggle. Look at Biggle. He couldn't hurt you. Come on. Could not disrespecting you, Biggle. Look at
The last time
hard to get, huh?
Carlo and Slater did that to Beagle. Grabe.
Oras na para kumain ng hapunan.
There you go. Pero tinala mo naman di ko nasa
Sit down.
I'll be back.
Maalis yan.
Oh! Take it, man. We'll throw it in the microwave. I'll take it for you, man. I can defrost it. No. Relax your legs.
Maalis yan.
Don't strain your legs. Chicken and fish.
Ikaw talaga. Ay, akin to.
We'll take it.